Right, made myself a little seat to sit on now, rather than keep sitting on dirty earth. Give you a cold back and cold arse. It's just a quick seat to sit on. Just hammered in a few pegs and then just laid these branches on just to keep me off the ground. And the other side it's just laid on the bank and resting against a tree. Quite a lot of noise you can hear from here. They're playing football down there in the field, down there, quite far away. And then someone else has got a remote control car somewhere what I can hear buzzing away, but this is probably about the best spot. This is probably about the best spot I'll be able to find to do outdoor videos. I might be able to find another, but just finding it might take ages.